Hello guys. I had a problem a few days ago. This is an '08 Toyota Sienna LE. I was driving along the road and all of a sudden I found the car just suddenly stopped and I tried to start it and it couldn't start. So we had a no crank, no start situation. So just like this, there you go. Switch this off and you try to start. You only hear a click sound inside here, but no start. Just put that off. So first thing I noticed was when you put on the ignition, the check engine light is supposed to come on here, but there was no check engine light, so I knew that there was no power to to the ECM. So I went and checked in the engine compartment fuse box. So let's go there and have a look. Okay, we've opened the fuse box and the engine compartment. This is how it looks like. Ignore this why I'll make another video about it. It has to do with another problem I encountered in the alternator. That's another day. So here we have EFI number 1. That's the fuse that's responsible for not giving power to the ECM. We have EFI again, number 2 here, and then you have ECUB. Now this these ones, I think this one has to do with the mass airflow sensor. In another video I will do that again, and then this one has to do with something else, but this is the culprit here. So I'm teaching you how to do this without even a multimeter, although preferably if you have a multimeter it would help, but if you don't have a multimeter, the easiest way to do would be to look at the fuse. If you can see, there's a break in the wire and the cable. There's a gap. Look at this. Can you help me hold the camera? Yeah, hold it and focus on this fuse. If you look in here, you'd see that see this line that goes up here, there's a gap in between, means the fuse is not good. So once you see something like that, the fuse is bad. Now I'll show you a good fuse. Now this is a good fuse. Bring it down a bit. Good. You see the line is continuous, it goes round, so which means this fuse is okay. Usually this fuse breaks from somewhere around here, just like this one. You can see the fuse is broken here. There's no continuous line. So we put this inside here and that solves that problem. It's good to have extra fuses in your car because you never know when these fuses may break. You have different sizes of fuse: 10 amps, 20, 15, 7.5, and what have you. So it's very good to have these fuses here. Especially this one is very important, but we'll make another video about it. There's another no start situation that has to do with this fuse, but that's another video altogether. So we'll keep this fuse here and go and try out and see whether we have light. Okay, we are back inside the car now. Let's see if we have that check engine light, and there it is. The check engine light, once you put on the ignition, it's on, so which means that problem has been solved. So let's try to crank it and see if it starts. No sound. No sound. Oh, no sound. All right, so we are going to deal with this in a different way. Let's go back into the engine compartment fuse box and see what we can do about it.